Hello everyone, so the question given is a free hydrogen atom after absorbing a photon of wavelength lambda A gets excited from state n equals to 1 to n equals to 4. Immediately after the electron jumps to n equals to m state by emitting a photon of wavelength lambda C. That change in momentum of atom due to the absorption and the emission are delta PA and delta PE respectively if lambda A divided by lambda equals to 1 by 5. Now the solution is lambda A by lambda E equals to E4 minus E1 divided by E4 minus En, which is equals to 1 minus 1 by 16 divided by 1 by m square minus 1 by 16, which is equals to 1 by 5, which implies that m equals to 2. Now lambda E equals to 12400 into 4 divided by 13.6, which is equal to 3647. Now k2 divided by k1 equals to 1 ka square divided by 2 ka square, which is equals to 1 by 4.